Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth and in this channel I do home vlogs, everything home. So welcome to today's video and thank you for clicking on this particular video. And if you just enjoy this kind of content, please consider yourself subscribing to this channel and let's grow the channel and go back and watch all of my other videos, if not all but some of them. I have interesting videos for you guys. So it was a Saturday, I think. Yes, it was Saturday and I had started by removing the grass outside. As you can see, when I'm sweeping, I've removed the grass first with a spade, and then guys, the outside of my yard is the only one with growing grass. So now I don't have time for just chopping it now and then. So I just give it time, just sweep it and get a some other time when I see or the thing is getting crazy. Yeah, so this is me sweeping and you can see the whole street, not the whole street, but it's clean. The thing is clean. So it's embarrassing when you have grass outside and you're the only one having a ditch like that. And for that matter, I don't even like it. So that's why I removed it and I am sweeping it away. So in this video, I am going to clean my yard. I am going to just take care of the dumping area there. And I have ordered some bean, which is not even coming. And I'm going to cook and I'm going to do laundry, do some cleaning also. Do stick around, give it a like. Please share if you want or if you can. And enjoy the whole video. Don't forget to watch the ads too.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Don't mind me putting the rubble that side. There's no one next door my yard. No one is living there. I don't know why they're not coming, but they say it's a church. There's nothing happening in that yard, so I'll just put it there.
Falling, 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 falling.
I've mentioned that I have ordered a bin to collect this kind of things. It's been 2 months now, but we have communicated. They said they will install a bin, which is on a fee, a monthly fee. They collect these things how many times? 2 times a month. Yes, after every 2 weeks they collect the rubbish. I don't know where they take it, but I think if the bin comes, this corner will be managed and I will remove this heap of soil, because when you call people to come and clean your yard, they just heap a soil there and it piles up. So I'm going to fire up this rubble so that it doesn't go waved out by the wind and go to the neighborhood. It's time to change the sheet, and I do this every weekend. Weekly, I do change my sheets. How many times do you change your sheets? Drop a comment.
started to fall. And where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling, 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 falling,
I went to do laundry. At this time, I was chasing away with a ESCOM, load shedding. I was just running after the load shedding schedule, but luckily I managed to do the laundry before it goes because it wasn't that much. I had 2 loads, if I may say, so it wasn't that much of a laundry this day.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells.
This was on a Sunday. I chopped out my spinach and I wanted to cook. I had some construction people going on. There were 2 and I cook for them, guys. I do cook for them because one of them is my younger brother. So they just come empty-handed like that. Oh my God. So I have to cook for them. And this spinach was too sandy. It was having a lot of dust. Guys, people, I ordered sand. I ordered a plastering sand. And those guys, they decided to offload it next to my spinach. And the sand was all over it. So I had to wash it 3 times. I rinsed it 3 times so that I removed the sand thoroughly. And it was so nice. I am glad that I have this because it helps me so much. Every weekend I chop it and cook it.
Bouncing off the houses, the church choir sings aloud. Feel my heart melt. You walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I wanted was you. Christmas cheer, drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while. Since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament.
In the meantime, while I'm cooking the spinach, there is a beef bokkies behind that pot, the other pot behind the one for spinach. In the meantime, while I was doing that, I managed to clean the floor also, and this is what I use, the bleach and the floor cleaner. The spinach, when I cook it, I remove the first water, put the fresh one, it can be bitter sometimes. That's why I remove the first water and the second water, and the third one I think it will be good to go. The sourness and the bitterness will be gone. That's how I cook my mustard spinach. Ke mochayena wa baba.
We got no stockings hung, we know we're flowing from the top. And I hear sleepers bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. 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 And I hear sleeping. All I wanted was you. Feel my heart melt. All I wanted was you.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you. I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I feel you? Got me. Got me.
I used this pot because I wanted to cook once and for all for the lunch and dinner. But guys, I had to cook again in the evening with a smaller pot, by the way, because this one wasn't enough. Guys can eat out there. Men eat.
Can I feel you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I could become the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got
about to fry it. I think it was ready, ripe already. And together with this one, I have cooked some gravy, which I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you the process. I've cooked some gravy using the onion, the green peppers, tomatoes, put some stock in it, and we were good to go for the gravy. So the meal was pap, some beef pocky, gravy, and spinach. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.